In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom rules in Asana. If you've ever wished Asana could take care of the little repetitive actions for you, custom rules are the way to go. They let you set up simple automations so your project stays organized without constant manual updates. Let's walk through a clean, straightforward setup you can follow immediately. First, open the project where you want the automation to live. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage rules for this project. It helps to confirm the project layout and the names of your sections ahead of time, since your rule will reference them exactly as they appear. Next, look to the top right corner of your project and click the Customize button. This opens a panel filled with options for tailoring your project. In this panel, find Rules. Rules are Asana's automation engine. They watch for a trigger and then carry out one or more actions so you don't have to. Click Rules, then choose plus Add Rule. You'll see a natural language input that makes creating automations feel like writing plain English. In the text box, type a clear prompt that describes what should happen and when. For example, when a task moves to the awaiting feedback section, assign it to me and add a comment saying, "Please review these findings." Keep the wording specific. Use the exact section name that appears in your project and say, "Assign it to me." If you want Asana to automatically set you as the assignee, you can customize the comment text to fit your team's style, but keep it short and actionable so teammates know what to do next. As you type, Asana interprets your prompt and builds the rule components for you. Take a moment to review the preview of the logic. You should see the trigger moving a task into the awaiting feedback section and the actions assigning it to you and posting the comment. Double check capitalization and spelling on section names to avoid mismatches, and confirm the message says exactly what you want. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your rule is now active for this project. From this point on, any task that's moved into that section will automatically be assigned to you and receive the comment you specified, saving time and creating a consistent workflow. That's it. You've just set up a custom rule in Asana using natural language, turning a common team habit into a reliable automation. Try this approach for other routine handoffs or status changes to keep your projects moving smoothly.